Do you want to build an email list faster and want to make $100 daily with 100% free method? And also, do you want to go from $100 a day to $200 a day? Then make sure to watch this video till the end, because this video is going to be super crazy and can really help you to generate $100 or even $200. So now the step one is actually finding your niche. Niche means in which market do you want to build an email business. So for that, there are only two things that you need to look. First of all, just head over to YouTube and just search for your niche. For example, you're in the guitar niche, okay? Let's say I'm going to search for like guitar lessons or whatever it is. So now if you want to select a niche, make sure that YouTube channels into that niche having at least 2-3 YouTube channels with 100,000 subscribers. So when we are going to see like a basic guitar lesson, this guy is having over 620,000 subscribers. As you can see, this guy Andy Guitar, this guy is a guitar specialist because having the name in the YouTube channel of guitar, and also this guy is having 1 million subscribers. Okay, so going down over here, Marty Music having 1.4 million subscribers, Justin Guitar 1 million subscribers approximately. Okay, so that means this niche is really big and we can actually tap into this niche because this is going to be super for us. And as we can see, there is a guitar pick over here. No one is a born guitarist, trust your hands. So that means niche is really big and we can actually start building our business into this. But here comes the step two. There should be 2-3 Facebook groups with at least 40-50,000 members. So when we are going to search for this, because oftentimes people just select a niche, a sub-market where there are no people at all to sell the stuff. That's why it's very important to pick a niche which is having lots of members. Okay, so although we can see that 1.7 million likes, that means it's going to be interesting. Okay, so like 10,000 members, 5,000 members, 2,000 members, 5,000 members, 6.8 members. I don't think that it's too much big on Facebook, but it is really big on the YouTube, really big. If the YouTube is having only one YouTube channel of 100,000 subscribers, then I may overlook this niche. No, you can see over here 30,000 members, 50,000 members, 10,000, 8.6 thousand. This is a really good niche. So now 95,000 members. Okay, it's for sale. But whatever it is, this is a really big niche. Now the third step over here, not the third step, but the third part of the first step. Okay, so now we also need to search on the Google the guitar affiliate program. Just because oftentimes people find a niche where there are no products to sell. So how you are going to sustain in a business where there are no products? So as you can see, lots and lots of affiliate programs coming up, like of 1, 2, 3, and I do believe that this is a really good niche. So now we are satisfied that we have founded a niche which is really big. So now it's the time for the second step over here. So first of all, we are going to go to Funalytics, and let me tell you some basic thing. Okay, so generally what happens, we are going to just send anyone from like YouTube, Facebook to an opt-in page, and from that opt-in page we just send them to a thank you page. Okay, so in this case I am going to use this as thank you page. Okay, so let's see this one over here as thank you page, and we are going to use the traffic of YouTube or maybe whatever it is, we are going to pick it up. Okay, so now as you can see over here in this case, okay, so let's just, so when we are going to drive the traffic from anywhere and we are going to send them to the opt-in page. So now on the opt-in page we have to give them something for free in return to collect their email address, because we need lots and lots of email address to start building the email list, and that's how we are going to make money. And also in the later in the video I'll share with you how you can make more than $2 per month for every email you are going to collect. Okay, so now we are done with the found the niche. Now it's the time to start collecting people's email address, but for that we need a freebie, a free book. Now what I like to give as free stuff, I like to give like a free course or maybe a free ebook. But I have tested lots of things like video course, membership site, and lots of things, but the ebook just surpassed over all of them. When I was giving video course, I was getting 25% conversion on opt-in rate. That means for every 100 people coming on this page, only 25 give me their email address. But when I started giving the ebook, I started getting 40% conversion rate. And for every 100 people coming on this page, 40 people give me their email address. That means it was really good. So if you want to create an ebook, you can create with the Scribble, because I just like Scribble. It's a really great software. You can create the ebook with Scribble in less than 5 minutes without typing a single word. So you can find the link of the software in the description, and also I will give you guys $400 worth of bonuses for free if you are going to grab the Scribble by the link below, by the link in the description. Okay, so now you can grab this software and create an ebook in less than 5 minutes and can start giving it away as free, and then can collect the email address. And for building this opt-in page, you can actually start using the ClickFunnels. And if you already have a ClickFunnels account, then I will leave the link of this funnel below, so you can see, you don't have to create this page, you can simply change the text and can start using this opt-in page. This is a really high converting opt-in page. And if you have not created the ClickFunnels account till now, make sure to create your ClickFunnels account by the link in the description, because I will be giving you guys again $400 worth of bonuses for. Okay, so you can also just click the link and take your funnel, and if you are going to create new ClickFunnels account with my link, then I will be giving you these bonuses for free. So now it's the time over here that we have created our opt-in page and also the thank you page. So basically what are you going to do on the thank you page? You are going to simply introduce a product and just telling them about the benefit of the product, and then you are going to tell them, hey, just click the button below and buy this product. So that's what a thank you page is all about. But the real money is not actually over there. The real money is actually in the emails. You have to collect the email address from here, and you are also going to start sending them email every single day. Okay, not every single day, depends on you, but there should be a schedule like every 5 days, every 4 days, etc, etc. Okay, so when you are going to send them emails, sometimes you are going to give them value, sometimes you are going to sell them stuff. For example, and if you want an autoresponder, then you can also grab the active campaign by the link in the description. I will again give you $700 worth of bonuses for free, so you can simply just check it out below. What are the bonuses am I giving with active campaign? It's the best software I have ever used. It has surpassed even the GetResponse, Aweber, or whatever, and it has really good delivery rate. Okay, so what you are going to do, actually you are going to simply start collecting emails on this opt-in page, and then you are going to send them email. For example, on the first day you promised them that you are going to collect the email address, you are going to give them a free ebook of like 7 tips to play guitar like a pro. Okay, so you are going to deliver that free ebook on the first day, and second day you can give them some more tips on how to play the guitar in a better way, and then on the third day you can start selling them a guitar course, or maybe you can start selling them a guitar. You can tell them, hey, this is a really nice guitar, if you want to buy this, you can check it out on Amazon. You can give them the affiliate link. So that's how you are actually going to make money. But here comes in the most important step, and that is actually of driving the traffic. And driving traffic is actually not that much crazy that you are thinking. Let me tell you how you can actually do that. Maybe you are actually not a pro in the guitar, but what you are going to do, you are going to actually, let's say you are a total beginner into the guitar, okay, and you want to start a YouTube channel, you want to make money, you want to learn guitar. So what you are going to do, you are going to simply just start learning from these videos. Just watch like 5, 10, 20 videos, and then whatever you are going to learn, just simply shoot a video and then just teach them, and then just simply tell them, hey, I have created a free ebook for you guys. If you want that ebook, then click the link in the description and head over to the page, and just simply take your free ebook. I'm not going to charge you anything. And when you will be collecting the email, you are going to start selling them stuff via email and via thank you page. So that's what you will be doing. So in order to drive lots and lots of traffic, what you can do, just simply find the 10 best YouTube channels in your niche, and then just sort their videos by most popular. Okay, so now what we need to do, we need to find the most popular videos on this channel and make sure the videos are only 6 months old and not more than that. Now, so let's say, so as we can see, this guy is getting about 100,000 views on most of his YouTube videos. So if we can find any YouTube video having over 200,000 subscribers, you can see over here. Okay, so we are going to start creating videos like this. You need to create a video like this in a much better way. You need to create the better thumbnails, and what you can do, you can install a plugin called vidIQ, and then just you can copy their titles and tags. Okay, so that way you will start coming into his suggested section, and then you will start getting more and more views, because people who are interested in watching this video will also be interested in watching the related videos. Okay, so that's how you are going to drive lots and lots of traffic. And also there is one more thing that I want to tell you is to, instead of just sending the traffic to your opt-in page, you can also send the traffic from YouTube to the affiliate products, maybe affiliate programs of these products. Okay, or you can also simply send that traffic to the Amazon linking to a guitar and stuff like that. So for example, if you are going to create 15 videos in a month, then for every fifth video you can simply just create a review of like the blah 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 guitar review, etc, etc. And you can also do something like blah 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 course review, and even you can simply just create a video teaching them something, and in the end you can tell them, hey, here is the best course I have found for guitar. You can simply link out to that guitar course. So that's how you will be making some extra money. So I do believe that you will be able to make $100 with this method, but as I promised you, I'm going to teach you how to make $100 from $100 a day to $200 a day with email business, okay, with email list. So there are two ways to do that. Either you are going to simply just make more money with these emails you are collecting, or you are going to collect more email address. So what you can do, let's say you are going to make $100 a day. So what you can do, you can actually start investing those $100 into YouTube ads, Facebook ads, and etc, etc. And then you are going to simply start getting more and more emails. Okay, you are going to simply collect more and more emails, and you will be making more and more money. So that's the one of the simple thing. And the second thing is, instead of just sending the products of low price like $10-20 price product to these emails, okay, to the email list you are building, you should start selling high ticket product. Means there where you are going to get over $500 commission. Okay, but how you can find the product high ticket products? Okay, so for that you just simply need to find out all of these affiliate programs. Just check out how much they are going to give you commission, how much commission whether it's of more than $500, because when you are going to sell high ticket products, you are going to get more and more commission, and you will be easily go from $100 a day to $200 a day, even if you have the small email list. Okay, because getting like let's say you have 1,000 emails. Okay, let's say you have 1,000 emails, and out of those 1,000 emails you are going to get 50 clicks, and out of those 50 people, only just one of them, that's only 2% conversion, one is going to buy $1,000 product, and you will get $500 commission. So that's over $500 by just sending one single email. You see how crazy is that? But for that you should have trust with your audience as well. But the high ticket products are the really key to success. You have to sell high ticket products in order to go from $100 per day to $200 per day. So just start using this method, and also make sure to check out 3 tools: Scribble, ClickFunnels, and ActiveCampaign below. And also I'm giving lots of bonuses, so make sure to check them out and start taking action. And now I will see you in another video. So goodbye.